We have a 10-inch saucer. Place it down on a level surface. 10-inch clay pot right on the top. We have really strong construction adhesive. We're going to put it right on the bottom of this pot. Perfect. Now place it right in the middle. We have a really heavy rock. Laid it right in the bottom. Some more adhesive around the top ring. Another 10-inch pot goes right on top of this adhesive ring. Perfect. Now you need 2 more pots of the same size and wait till you see how this comes out. Okay, you're going to take the same size saucer as down below on the bottom and place that right on the top. I got all of my supplies from Walmart, and this bowl that we're going to finish with on top is from Target, and we have a beautiful bird bath. Wait till you see the final touches. Solar powered water fountain goes right into the bowl. We're going to pour a river rock, this beautiful river rock, right over top. Make sure the solar panels are visible so it can catch those sun rays. And now we add water. Look at how beautiful this is, and you can hear it. The lovely fountain sound, and we have a final touch to add. We are going to attach our beautiful hummingbird to let the birds know that this is where they come to play. I love how this came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and what you would do differently with this beautiful bird feeder.